Hello and welcome to the spoken tutorial on printer connection. In this tutorial, we will learn to connect a printer to a computer. For this tutorial, I'm using Ubuntu Linux 12.10 operating system and Canon printer. Let me quickly introduce you to the various components of a computer. This is the CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and printer. Let's look at the CPU. In most of the CPUs, there are some USB ports in the front and some at the back. Now, let's have a look at our printer. Usually, there is a power switch on the front or top part of the printer, and there is a power slot and a USB port at the back of the printer. To connect a printer to a computer, we have to use a USB cable. Let's connect the USB cable to the printer. Now, let's connect the other end of the cable to the CPU's USB port. Now our printer is connected to the computer. Switch on the power button on the printer. Now, let's configure the printer using our computer. Let's go to the desktop. Click on the dash home icon at the top left-hand side of the launcher bar. In the search bar, type printing. The printer icon will be displayed. Click on it. In older versions of Ubuntu, click on System, Administration and Printing. Now, the printing dialog box appears. It says there are no printers configured yet. At the top left corner, there is a button named Add with a green plus sign on it. Click on it. It will open the new printer dialog box. On the left-hand side, a list of printer devices connected to the computer is displayed. Here, let's select our printer, that is, Canon printer, and click on Forward. Then, it will automatically begin searching for drivers. I will click on Cancel. Now the dialog box switches to the Choose Driver option. The default option will work in most cases. Since I have a Canon printer, here in this list it is selected by default. Now click on Forward. In the model page, my printer model is automatically detected. It is indicated as recommended in brackets. Also, in the drivers section, it shows the driver suitable for my printer. Now, click on Forward again. Now we are prompted to describe our printer name and its location. I will keep it as default and click on Apply. Our printer is successfully added to our computer. A message appears, would you like to print a test page? Let's click on Print Test Page option. A pop-up will appear with a message, Submitted, Test Page Submitted as, job and its number. Click on OK. Again click on OK in the Printer Properties dialog box. Here is our test print from our printer. Our printer is now ready to print our documents. Let's close the printer dialog box. Let me quickly demonstrate how to print a document. Let's open a document. Then press the keys Ctrl and P together. The print dialog box appears. Notice that the connected printer is selected by default. In this dialog box, We have several options. Range allows us to select the range of pages that we want to print. There are some options available under Range. All Pages option prints all the pages in the document. Current Page option prints only the current selected page. Pages option prints the pages according to our specification. Say for example 3 to 4. Next, let's look at the options available under Copies. Copies option is where we choose the number of copies that we want to print. If we change copies to 2, then 2 copies of the selected pages will be printed. And click on the Print button. If you have configured your printer correctly, your document will start printing. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we learned to connect a printer to a computer, configure the printer settings, and print a document. And we also learned about the various print options available. We hope this information was helpful. Watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using Spoken Tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. Thank you for watching. The script for this tutorial was written by Praveen. This is Nancy from the Spoken Tutorial project, IIT Bombay, signing off.